We're here in Collegetown Center to take a look at studio apartment 224. I wanted to show you the position of this apartment. We are towards the east end of the hallway. So it's a long hallway in the building and we are towards the east end here. As we enter the apartment, you can see the kitchen is on our left side as it is in all of these even number studio apartments on the north side of the building. We've got the refrigerator, there's the dishwasher and sink, there's drawers, cabinets, microwave, and that stove oven in here for your use in the kitchen. So we go in through the apartment. The closet is on our left-hand side. Let's pass by that. So we've got your closet area over here. It's a nice wide closet. The bathroom will be on the right side. So let's take a look at that. So the bathroom will be the same in all these apartments. You'll have the tub shower, we've got the vanity, the toilet, and there is a medicine cabinet over on the right as well. As we go into the apartment, the furnishings and the layout of the apartment are always the same. You'll have the desk and chair, the full-size bed, a dresser, a bookshelf, and a dining table and chair. There are blinds on the windows. There's the air conditioner underneath the window. The heater is over against the wall. We're on floor 2 of this 6th floor building. And again, we're towards the east end of the building on the north side, which is the Dryden Road side of the building. You can see we're quite close to that corner of College and Dryden, right here in the center of Collegetown. So this is a great people watching location. This is a prime location here in central Collegetown. We have this style of apartment. This is the even style north rectangle. So 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24 on the north side of the building on floors 2 through 6. It's all the same layout. The difference will just be the position on the floor and what floor you're on. So this is the standard model. We have this in a lot of spots in the building. We're here in Collegetown Center at 151 Dryden Road in central Collegetown, and we're located just 1 block from campus.